Now, what everyone was waiting for. Gene, Luke, and everyone else. ¿Qué?
¿Cómo dice pato en inglés?
Pato? Duck? I think so. Turkey. Turkey. Now, what everyone was waiting for, I will now punch one of these chickens. Yeah. Permiso, Daniel.
Daniel. Mi nombre en inglés te pronuncia.
Daniel. En inglés tu nombre es Daniel. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, no te oigo. Don't come out of here. Chickens! Now I will punch a chicken. Let's see if I can. Without Daniel. Let's see which one I should hit. You. I'm gonna help you. Ay, pao. Ah, shit.
Cuidado que ya me vaya con caca.
No, corre. Don't run from my fist. If I could hit one, damn. Ay,
Cuidado que ya te muerde.
ay. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. It's hard to hit one, damn. Es duro. Pueda, Daniel, agarrar uno. I shall now wait patiently. Oh shit! Chickens can't fly! Whoa! Oh, damn you.
Cuidado que hace popó.
Pitch! Oh, I hit him. But I want to like literally like Shoryuken one. You should be fine. Shoryuken! Damn you. Don't move. From under. Shoryuken! Chickens can't fly! Fuck up, turkey! One more. Just punch one more. Just one more time. Don't make noise. No noise. That's the big guy. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Just one more. I'm just gonna run in. I know. ¿Qué tú quieres?
Ah, pero lo que tú estás haciendo con la gallina.
Corriendo.
Vamos, un chicle para el camino.
Oh, gracias.
Y un chocolate para los dos. Un
Gracias.
chocolate para los dos.
Gracias. Voy a comer esto. Okay, I hit. Adios, bye.